Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be transforming this laundry linen closet. As you guys can see, it is an absolute mess. I had reorganized it probably quite a few months ago now already, but it has just gotten, I've just been shoving things in here and it has just turned into a complete disaster. So today we are going to transform it and get a better organizational system going. So I'm going to start out by just tucking the towels back in. So they just kind of have been thrown in there, and I am going to keep my towels on this shelf. So I just straightened them quickly, and now I'm going to go ahead and remove everything else. So I've just got this bin here, and I'm just going to like throw all the little stuff in it and just take everything into my bedroom and just kind of toss it all on the bed. And I've got these white containers from the dollar store, or I think from Dollar Tree is where they came from, and I'm just going to try to use the bins to organize some of the more smaller random items in the closet, because I keep things like extra hand soaps and body sprays and face masks, stuff like that. I keep all that in here as well. So yeah, so I just took everything out of there and I'm going to reorganize it all on my bed. That way it's just a little bit easier. I can lay it all out and go from there. So I've got this basket here, and I'm just going to use this to store all of my feminine hygiene products. So I'm just going to put everything in there, and that's kind of how I'm going to go forward, is just put keep like items with like items and group things together in all of the baskets. And so that's just what I'm going to do. I'm going to end up having a basket for things like self-care items like hair masks and face masks, anything like that, like bubble baths, stuff like that, kind of more pampering items. We'll have a shelf for that and a basket for that. And then things like extra shampoo and stuff like that can go in another one. So that's kind of how we're going with that. And then I also do store a little bit of cleaning supplies in there as well. And we'll just have that towards the bottom of the closet. So we're just going to go ahead, sort through everything, and then see where it all fits together in the end.
Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place.
Okay, so now that I have everything kind of organized, I'm just going to go ahead and bring it all over here and see kind of how I can fit it all together. So it just so happened that these bins that I bought just fit perfectly 2 in at a time, so that's perfect. And then I'm just going to go through, and I have all of these washcloths just kind of all lumped together, and I always just keep them grouped together. And it finally dawned on me, because I keep a lot of my cleaning cloths in here as well, and I have them just stuffed in with like my face cloths and the kids cloths, and I'm like, maybe I should separate those out, especially because my boyfriend can never tell what is a cleaning rag and what isn't. And so half the time I'm like, no, don't use that one, and he's like, well, I don't know what to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna stuff all of the cleaning rags in this other little bin, and we'll tuck that down at the bottom, and then I can have like all of our actual face cloths and the kids cloths separated out.
Like the saying, you don't know what you got till it's gone. But now I know, in my hometown, running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You see, you make everything. You see. Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud, 'cause I'm running with these same.
So as you guys can probably tell, I was having some difficulty trying to figure out like the best way to organize this, and that's the difficult part about having such a small space and you have so much stuff, is trying to figure out how to organize it all and make it make sense. So you guys will notice that I do end up rearranging it quite a few times in this video until it actually all fits and looks good and kind of makes sense.
Through our phone in the night, no, I'm here by your side. So tell me, where are you now? When your head is in the clouds, I wanna find out now. 'Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud, 'cause I'm running with these emotions. Stumbling out of bed, one hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind?
tears you dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on.
See, it looks much more organized than it was. So what I did was I put all of the cleaning supplies down there. I had that huge mountain of towels that were all smashed together, so I separated the cleaning towels from the face towels, and all the cleaning stuff is now down at the bottom. Then up here I've put my candles, my Bath & Body Works candles, and then this is kind of like a little spa shelf. So I have my hot wax melter, I've got my foot bath, a face spa, and all the things to go with that, all products to go with that. Then up here I've just put like extra products. So in this bin I've got pretty much, this is all lotions. That one way in the back is all like hair care products, as well as face products, like new ones, extra ones. Back there is things like body sprays, hand soaps, and then this is kind of a self-care little box. So I've got hair masks in here, face masks, yeah, face products, bubble baths, bath bombs, stuff like that. Then I just put all of our hand towels, like face towels here. Then up here is a like feminine care, feminine hygiene product basket. In the back is all my sewing stuff, and then this is extra stuff. So I've got like extra toothpaste, toothbrushes, makeup remover towels, extra little Kleenex for the diaper bag, and I just stuck our blood pressure machine in there as well. And then up at the top we still have all of our towels up there, and then I just stuck the hand towels right in front here. So and then I stuck the hand towels right in front there. So it is much more organized. I actually know what I have now, and it's looking a lot better.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.